What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about this Roomba Combo 10 Max with the auto wash. And basically what happened is somehow this Roomba, the old one that I had, the mopping pad got stuck up underneath some trim, like a transitioning wood piece. Stuck it up and it ripped it off the base right here. And so according to their support, they said they don't have a fix for it. So what they do is they send you a service model that's without the battery, the bin, any accessories. I'll put that stuff up right in the description and right over here. Basically what we got to do is we got to swap all that stuff out and get this one back on the road. Well, let's do it. So while we're doing this guys, if you don't mind, hit that like button for me, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you guys think. Woo man, if you guys have one of these, let me know. If you had the same problem, let me know, because a little bit confused as to how this happened. So basically you're going to start by pressing in here, removing the, oh, it already came with one. Oh, okay, all right. They said it didn't come with one. I guess it does. Ew, gross. Throw that away. So I guess we'll put this back in there, but okay, so I think all we got to do is replace the battery. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to start that now. We're going to take the old one out because that's the one we need. So we're going to use a little bit of help here. Use a drill, put some pressure. All right, take these loose. Looks like there's, I think, 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4 for now. Also, don't forget, you gotta remove the brush here. Woo! So we'll remove that, set that to the side. Then we are gonna pull this out. Apparently there's a, not sure what that's for, but okay. All right. Let's go. Oh, it's just a lock to lock the base in place, apparently. Cool. Okay, so it's not a screw. All right, so we get in here. So we got to take the battery loose. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips head screws. So we're going to go ahead and take those out now. The point on this one is rusted, but it's sharp enough to get these, I do believe. So, yep, there's one, maybe. Yep. Okay. 2. And so, oh, okay. I don't know if they're all the same size or, oh no. Okay, hold on. Had to get a regular screwdriver with the pointy end on it. Pointy Phillips. We'll use that now. Woo! Okay, guys. So anyway, if you have one of these, what do you think about it? Do you like the unit? Is there something better out there? I get all kinds of people in my comments that say that they either like it or they don't like it. Ask what I think. Personally, I don't mind it at all. I think it's a good unit. What am I missing here? No. Okay. Then all you do is, apparently, yeah, that's it. So these tabs just push in and pull out. So just like that. So then do the same thing to the new unit. So if you're thinking about buying one of these, and you just wanted to see the inside of it, let me know. I'm a little curious of what you think, what you like or what you don't like. If you're thinking about buying one, don't forget to check the promoted products down in the bottom left-hand portion of the video. And I think if you're watching on a desktop, it's on the right-hand side. But I know that they have quite a bit of deals, like randomly throughout the year. Like I know a couple months ago, right after I bought this one for $1,300, I saw a deal on this exact unit for $9.99. So I don't know if they're going to run deals for Black Friday or what's actually going to happen, but it actually may not be a bad idea for you to check that out and see. They may have something pretty good for you. So here's what we're going to do here. Okay, we're just going to pop that loose. And we're going to put this battery, put it back in there. Just like that. And we'll go with it. But there's the inside of it if you guys want to check some things out. But that's really it, guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then these tabs to pull it out. Well, there's one for you. So I use this screwdriver to take these out, but they already had screws in these holes, so now I gotta take the battery back out. Don't forget to hit that like button for me, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos just like this one, where we help you fix stuff all around your house. Random stuff, dishwashers, getting ready to fix a washer and dryer for somebody here shortly. It's gonna be a good time. All right, now that I got the those screws out, now it'll fit in there. I don't know how I did not see that before. I just didn't even think about it being I didn't even think about it not having a screw, or already having a screw in there. Probably keeps. Well, that wasn't a good idea, but whoopsies. Use a screwdriver when y'all do this, because I just ran that plastic thing through and broke it, but thankfully there's 3 other ones. Okay, so now we're gonna put the base back on. We're gonna put the auto vac or the dust bin back in. Then we're gonna screw these back in place. 1, be easy with this. 2, 3, 4. And then just gotta lock that like that. That's it. So anyways, if you guys like this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. Leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what you think, and if you want to buy one of these, don't forget to check the promoted products tab down at the bottom of the video, and on the right hand side there's a promoted products section. It really does help the channel. So if you would, don't forget to if you don't mind, check that out, because it really does help the channel. So thank you guys. Hope you all have a blessed day. God bless. Thank you all so much. There we go. That's it. Also, I'm not exactly sure why that they made these not serviceable. Like, why are you not able to take it apart like, you know, the others? Why do you have to replace the entire unit? Which I guess it's not that bad for a consumer, but they're gonna ship these to people that may not have screwdrivers, you know? Like, there's a lot of people out there that just may not be able to take care of things like this. So, I don't know. I'll clean that up for them. Yeah. Put that back on because it does need to be replaced anyway, so. Alright. That's it, guys. That's all. We'll ship this one back to where it belongs. Have a blessed day.